News coming in now. Well, Prime Minister Modi will respond to the debate on the President's address in the Rajya Sabha tomorrow is what we are learning. If there is no uproar in the Lok Sabha, the Prime Minister will also respond to the President's address in the Lok Sabha, and that is going to happen tomorrow. This comes after PM Modi's address was stalled in the Lok Sabha today amidst ruckus by the opposition. Well, the Lok Sabha was adjourned today, as we know. There was absolute chaos and ruckus in the Parliament. A number of members also stormed towards the well of the House, towards the Prime Minister's chair as well. And Lok Sabha was adjourned. The Prime Minister was slated to speak, but that could not happen. He had to respond on a number of issues, including some of the charges which have been noted or pointed out by the opposition, including leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi. The Prime Minister will respond tomorrow, and it's going to be worthwhile noting what the Prime Minister will speak on, because the US trade deal is also something that a number of people are expecting that the Prime Minister will respond to. Though there has been a crux or a synopsis which has been put out by Mr. Piyush Goyal, Commerce Minister, but of course there will be a word or two on that from the Prime Minister as well. Manohar Kesri, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast to talk about this. Manohar, आज प्रधानमंत्री अपना जवाब नहीं दे पाए. कल सदन में अगर शोर शराबा नहीं होता है, जिस तरीके से आज केओस देखने को मिला, तो प्रधानमंत्री अपनी बात कल रखेंगे.
देखिए, लोकसभा में जो 18 घंटे का जो समय निर्धारित किया गया था, उस समय की अवधि पूरी हो चुकी है. लिहाजा अब किसी भी तरीके से राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण के लिए बहुत ज्यादा समय नहीं बचा है. लेकिन इतना जरूर है कि अगर कल लोकसभा में शांति रहती है तो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी एक बार फिर से लोकसभा में जाकर के अपना जवाब जरूर देना चाहेंगे राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण पर, क्योंकि ये परंपरा रही है, परिपाटी रही है कि संसद में जब भी राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण होता है तो उसके बाद प्रधानमंत्री की तरफ से तो उसका रिप्लाई दिया जाता है, अभिभाषण पूरी चर्चा का जवाब दिया जाता है. लेकिन अगर लोकसभा में हंगामा होता रहा तो फिर प्रधानमंत्री राज्यसभा में जाकर के जवाब देंगे, जहां पर की चर्चा अपेक्षाकृत शांति से चल रही है.
चलिए, शुक्रिया इस जानकारी के लिए. Well, we are getting more breaking news coming in. One terrorist was killed in an encounter with security forces in